such an old trailer that I have a cooler, because the refrigerator, which is right here, doesn't work. My dad tried to fix it. It was like an ammonia cooled fridge or whatever. He bought a element and everything, and it just wouldn't work. But I told him to put it back in here just because it's the original fridge and it's kind of cool. And so it's my bar now. This is an Igloo cooler and I really love it. So with my cooler, if I am towing the trailer and driving, then I plug in the 12-volt portion of the cooler. But if I stop for any length of time over half an hour, I need to unplug the cooler from the 12-volt because it will run my battery down in both my trailer and my truck. And that's not a good thing. If I'm staying at a place that has shore power, then I'm golden. I just plug my trailer into the shore power and then plug the cooler in. If I don't have power and they allow generators, then I can run my generator and use that in lieu of the shore power. At most campgrounds, though, you can only run your generator during the day. So they have a cutoff time of when you have to turn that off. So once that happens, then I don't have any juice go into my cooler to keep it cool. I can put ice in my cooler. I like to put them into baggies. That way it doesn't get everything wet in the cooler because it'll eventually melt. But if I don't, then just throwing ice in there is good. And because I'm a vegetarian, there's no meat in there, so there's nothing really to go bad, which is awesome. But if you are a meat eater, you may want to get a cooler with ice that you can keep meat in when you don't have juice to your cooler. About as clean as I'm gonna get it.